For today's word study lesson, you will need to sign on to Schoology and find the assignment you see here. Earlier today, we talked about the suffixes ANT and ENT. So today, you're going to be adding those suffixes to words to form adjectives. First thing you're going to do is read the words in the green boxes and then decide whether those words should have ANT at the end of them or ENT at the end of them. Look in the dictionary to make sure that your thinking was correct, and then you will type that word in the correct spot. Here's the green words below. So let's do one together. I see the word differ. Should I add ANT or ENT? I'm fairly certain I should have ENT, but to check my thinking, I did look in a dictionary and I see that it is spelled different with an ENT. I will click in this box under ENT and write my new adjective. DIFFER, just like the word differ, and then I'm going to add the ending ENT. Now that I'm done with differ, I will move on to depend and then exist. Absorb is behind my face here. Insist, ignore, and observe. Make sure you have all these words listed in the correct column before you click Submit Assignment to your teacher.